Today, I'm testing the top 5 vacuum blenders that actually keep your smoothies fresh and nutrient packed. If you've been wondering whether vacuum blending is worth it or just marketing hype, stick around because I'm breaking down which one deserves your money. I've got links to all these blenders in the description below if you want to check current prices. Let's dive in, starting with the Reslee Professional Commercial Vacuum Blender, and wow, this thing is a beast. It's got a 40,000 RPM motor with 3,000 watts of power. That's insane. The first thing I notice is how solid it feels. This isn't some lightweight plastic thing. The base is heavy, stable, feels like it could last forever. So the vacuum technology here uses a negative 75 kPa system, which basically sucks all the air out before blending. I made a green smoothie with spinach, banana, and frozen mango, and honestly, the color stayed vibrant for like 8 hours. Usually, my spinach smoothies turn that ugly brown color after an hour, so that's impressive. The taste also stays fresh, which is something I didn't expect to be such a noticeable difference. What's cool is the vacuum mode is optional. You don't have to use it every time. Sometimes I just want a quick blend without the whole vacuum process, and you can do that. It's a 6-in-1 system, so you can make hot soups, nut milk, baby food, whatever. The hot soup function actually works by friction heat from the blades spinning so fast, which is wild. I made tomato soup and it came out steaming hot in about 5 minutes. The noise level is decent with the quiet shield. Not silent by any means, but way better than my old Ninja that sounded like a jet engine. Also, it comes with a 5-year warranty, which gives me confidence they're not expecting this to break down anytime soon. All the Amazon links are in the description if you want to grab any of these. Now for the pros and cons. The incredibly powerful 40,000 RPM motor performance is outstanding. Optional vacuum mode gives you flexibility. The 6-in-1 functionality replaces multiple appliances. And that 5-year warranty shows manufacturer confidence. On the downside, it's pretty expensive compared to regular blenders and it takes up significant counter space. Alright, next up is the NuWave Moxie Commercial Vacuum Blender. This one's been around longer than the Reslee, so it's got a solid reputation and thousands of reviews. It's got a 2.5 horsepower motor, 1,500 watts, which is still really powerful. Not quite as insane as the Reslee, but definitely no slouch. The vacuum rate here is 75 kPa, same as the Reslee. What I found interesting is NuWave actually has third-party testing showing it retains 64% more antioxidants after 12 hours compared to regular blenders. That's pretty specific, and I appreciate when companies back up their claims with actual science instead of just marketing fluff. The jar is 64 ounces, so slightly bigger than the Reslee's 56 ounce. Good if you're making family-sized batches or meal prepping for the week. The blades are laser-cut stainless steel, and they're designed to stay sharp longer than regular blades. I've had this for a few weeks now, and yeah, it still cuts through frozen fruit like butter. No dulling yet. One feature I really like is the self-cleaning mode. You just add some soap and water, run it for like 30 seconds, and it's clean. Super convenient, especially after making sticky stuff like nut butter. The NSF certification means it meets commercial kitchen standards, which is reassuring if you're planning to use this thing daily. Let's talk pros and cons. It has a proven track record with solid reviews. NSF certified for commercial standards, retains 60% more antioxidants, scientifically proven, and that effective self-cleaning saves time. The cons are the vacuum seal requires a learning curve initially, and it's slightly louder than some competitors. Now let's see how the BlendTide commercial vacuum blender compares. This one's a bit cheaper than the first two, which caught my attention. It's 1,500 watts with a 2 horsepower motor, so still powerful but not quite Reslee levels. But here's the thing, for most smoothies and everyday use, you probably won't notice the difference. The vacuum technology here is patented, which they make a big deal about in the marketing. It definitely reduces foam. I made the same green smoothie recipe in this and the Reslee back-to-back, and honestly, the foam reduction was pretty similar. The vacuum works well, no complaints there. What really stands out is the quiet shield. They claim 70 decibels, and I actually measured it with a decibel meter app, and yeah, it's around that level. You can actually have a conversation while this is running. That's huge if you're making smoothies early in the morning and don't want to wake everyone up. My roommate actually thanked me for switching to this. It's got 9 speeds and 6 preset programs, so plenty of control for different recipes. The 64-ounce container is a good size for families. One thing I noticed is it handles frozen berries really fast, like 10 seconds, and they're completely liquefied. The cooling system is designed for over 100 cups a day, so this is definitely built for heavy use, whether that's a busy household or a small cafe. The self-cleaning is solid, takes about 30 seconds just like the others. My only complaint is the height. It's pretty tall, like over 18 inches, so if you have low cabinets, you might need to store it somewhere else or keep it on the counter permanently. For pros, it has the best quiet operation at 70 decibels. Excellent value for the features offered. Handles frozen ingredients incredibly fast. And it's built for high volume daily usage. The cons are the motor is slightly less powerful than Reslee, and the tall design doesn't fit under cabinets. Let's talk about the Pado Ozen 500. This is the budget-friendly option here, and it's actually the first UL certified vacuum blender, which is a big deal for safety. UL certification isn't easy to get, so that tells you something about the quality. The motor is 550 watts, so significantly less powerful than the others. It handles soft fruits and regular smoothies fine, no problem. But with frozen stuff, you can tell it's working harder. It gets the job done, it's just not as effortless as the higher powered ones. You might need to stop and shake it occasionally. The hexablade design is unique, 6 blades instead of the usual 4. It does create a smoother blend, I'll give it that. The texture is really nice, very creamy. The smart function is convenient, one button and it vacuums, then blends automatically. Pretty foolproof. Even my tech challenge mom could use this. What's cool is it comes with an extra vacuum storage container. So you can make your smoothie, transfer it to the storage container, vacuum seal it, and it stays fresh in the fridge for days. That's actually really practical for meal prep. I made smoothies on Sunday and they were still fresh and vibrant on Wednesday. Pros include being the most affordable vacuum blender option available. UL certified for safety standards, includes a bonus vacuum storage container. And that smart, one-click automated blending function. For cons, the lower 550 watt motor struggles with frozen ingredients and it can't make hot soups or nut butters. Finally, the Reslee 30,000 RPM vacuum blender. Yeah, another Reslee, but this is their mid-range model. It's 30,000 RPM instead of 40,000 and the motor is 3.5 horsepower instead of 4. Still plenty powerful for most people's needs. Same vacuum technology, the negative 75 kPa system. Performance-wise, it's really similar to their top model for everyday smoothies. The smoothies come out just as smooth, colors stay vibrant, all that good stuff. The main difference is it's a bit slower with really tough ingredients like frozen mango chunks or whole ice cubes. Maybe takes 15 seconds instead of 10. It's still got the 6-in-1 functionality, quiet shield, self-cleaning, all the features. The 56-ounce Triton cup is a nice size, perfect for 2 or 3 servings. What I like is it's a bit more compact than the 40,000 RPM version, so it fits on my counter better without dominating the whole space. The price point makes this a sweet spot. You're getting like 90% of the performance of the top model for a decent amount less money. If you don't need absolute maximum power for commercial use or super heavy duty blending, this is a smart choice that saves you cash. The pros are great middle ground price and performance. Same vacuum technology as the premium model. More compact design fits counters better. And 10 speeds and 6 presets for versatility. The only real con is it's slower with extremely tough frozen ingredients. Alright, here's my final take. If you want the absolute best and don't mind spending more, go with the Reslee 40,000 RPM. It's the most powerful and versatile, and that 5-year warranty is solid. For best overall value, the BlendTide is hard to beat. You get commercial grade features, amazing quiet operation, and it's cheaper than the top tier options while still performing incredibly well. If you're on a budget or just want to try vacuum blending without a huge investment, the Pado Ozen 500 is your choice. It's not as powerful, but it does the job for basic smoothies, and the storage container is a nice bonus. The NuWave Moxie is perfect if you want a proven, reliable option with a solid track record and don't mind spending a bit more for that peace of mind. And the Reslee 30,000 RPM is the sweet spot for most people who want great performance without going all in on the premium model. It's my personal pick for everyday home use. So yeah, hopefully this helped you figure out which vacuum blender fits your needs and budget. All the links are in the description if you want to check current prices on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.